Hello everyone, this book came today courtesy of Jay Bizzle on Twitter. This book here, let's get a good look at it up there. 101 Labs, Cisco CCNA. This is going to be a huge thing for me when I get into it. I just opened it up, so I thought we'd go through it together. Nice little note right there from John. I don't know if this puts me on his Christmas list or not, but let's just go through it on here. I'm not real good with the video editing thing or anything like that, so I wanted to do it on this. So let's just go through it. A couple pages in here. Couple authors. Let's get to what is on here with the table of contents. Let's look down that right there. Move through here. This is everything that you really got to go through. I see a lot of people on LinkedIn that do the configurations and stuff like that, and then you show what you can do with the packet tracer and stuff like that. So this is really, I mean, look at all this. This is network access stuff. I just want to break down and just go through everything with you on here. Supposedly it starts out easy, like most stuff, and then it gets more and more difficult. Sort of like with packet tracer and stuff like that. There's a lot of labs and stuff like that that you can go over. A lot of reputable channels and stuff that you can go through. But I just want to share this here. Pretty thankful for this. I'm thankful for John for awarding me this book. Yeah, this breaks it down real nice. The biggest thing is the command lines and stuff like that on getting into different configuring. And it's called different modes and stuff like that. You have exec mode, privileged exec mode, global configuration mode when you start out. And there's little things that you pick up on that stuff that this way you know what mode you're in, and it gives different allowances and stuff like that. This is the big thing here. This IPv4 and IPv6. The big thing is subnetting and stuff like that. Not yet at this stuff yet in my studies for theory as far as OSPF and the EIGRP stuff. My understanding is OSPF is pretty big on the CCNA exam. The RSTP is Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol. There's regular spanning tree protocol and rapid spanning tree protocol. Spanning tree protocol. So let's just look through a lot of this stuff here and see what this is. I just opened up the book real quick just to give a quick glance on stuff like that. Config T. A lot of it is abbreviations. You wouldn't write out the whole thing and stuff like that. This is for switches. Config VLAN. A lot of it, my understanding, I'm just going through and just getting an understanding on how a lot of this stuff works. But these ports and everything are the different interface names and stuff like that. The FA0/1 and /2 and stuff like that. Trunking and VLANs and everything like that. But a lot of it seems to be that the routers and the switches themselves know what you're going to be putting in when you type in, and instead of writing out the whole thing, there's like a show command and stuff like that. You just type show question mark or show this or show config or anything like that. Basically you don't have to write, say stuff. Here's something right here, Cisco. I'm hoping to get into network engineer like a knock, and right here this tells you right here, so you'll be expected to configure a router or switch default gateway and stuff like that. And this hands-on stuff is what you really need to understand. Like when you get on packet tracer and stuff like that, it really does a good thing on getting into how to understand even the simple thing with cabling. Don't don't let the cabling get by you, because cabling itself there's a difference between, you know, running a straight through cable or running a crossover cable. I know Cisco routers and stuff, devices, they have a thing called I think it's MDIX or MIDX, one or two, and if it's activated, it automatically makes the configuration if you cabled it wrong, going from router to router, switch to switch, PC to PC and stuff like that. But I just wanted to give a quick run through because I'm pretty happy about this book. And these are all configurations and stuff like that. And obviously, you know, just like the command line and stuff like that. A lot of this stuff, once you do it, see if I can find some more pictures in here of routers and stuff like that. Yeah, there we go there. This is virtual stuff here. Shows all the stuff, and a lot of this stuff, once you understand a lot of the stuff you can do on Packet Tracer, you can highlight this stuff and everything like that. You go in, you do these commands, you do the configurations, you set this stuff up. There's one where if you set up an email server, once you get it set up right, I've not done it, but I've seen videos for it, where once you get it done, you can actually see the little letter moving through and go through. These are basically like this 2.0 and stuff like that. This all breaks it down nicely. Here's the command line interface, and these little things here for the pound sign tells you what mode you're in, and then there's a greater than symbol that starts out the greater than, and then go from there. Some stuff up here. So just wanted to do a quick lay of the book that I got today. Here it is on the cover. There's the authors right there, in case you're looking for who to get it from. Version 4 authors, and here's a side view of the thickness of it.